Alright, quick updates here for Vision. First of all, if you haven't got it yet, it's free. PitVision.AI, create an account. You have tons of free features on here. The ones that are locked, you can earn by doing founders missions. You got your founders progress here, earn more points here. Real easy to earn too. You refer a friend, you get 5 points. If you share it on Telegram, you get a point. Share it in the Facebook group, get a point. Share a winning screenshot, get a point. Submit the proof here, and then I approve it on my end. But just by pinning it to your phone, you get 5 points. Really easy to do. Becoming an affiliate takes 5 seconds. 2 more points, and you can unlock tons of stuff with these Vision points. So highly recommend getting on that if you want free access. There's already some stuff unlocked free in here, but one of the newest features is this dashboard feature. So you can go to kind of who you are, what type of trader you are. If you're a beginner trader, you've maybe grabbed a stock or two here or there, but you don't really know what you're doing. Boom, click on beginner. You're going to be focused a lot around the learning, which I'm going to be busting my butt on this weekend, just so you guys know. And I added that handy dandy backup button there for you guys. You're going to be focusing on journaling your entries, learning. Your scanners will be pretty simple, your AM and your PM watch lists. Click in here, it'll open up the morning pit. I'll tell you how I'm feeling a little bit at the top. And then it gives you a bunch of trade ideas, not just the trade idea, but their RVOL, the score, how good of a trade idea it is, why they're moving, what direction they're moving. All the little tags at the bottom are the reasons it was hit. So high RVOL, negative move, news catalyst. They all have the news catalyst and why they're moving. So if you're ever trading a stock and like, what the hell is going on? Why is it doing this? It tells you right there. You can pull up the chart. Let's say we wanted to see a different chart. You click on the name. Boom, you can see this down here. So say, oh, this was the best pick this morning in the AM. Let's see if it's still valid. Let's click on it. Scroll down here. Well, it looks like it's a pretty good short still. We'll see. It looks like it's about to break down. But I don't have time to watch it because I'm too busy busting my butt for you guys. You got your economic calendar, your earnings calendar, your news feed here. And then within the news feed, too, you can click on the stocks here. And it'll pull up the chart and the information on that specific stock as well. See, now it's on Amazon. All right, that's in the morning, though. And then that would be your alerts, was it? No, yours would be the scanner. Those are your scanners. And your PM watch list would be for right now. You can also put filters on. New high of day on the PM scanner. VWAP reclaim, bearish. If you only want bearish stocks. If you only want the bullish stocks. If you want catalyst stocks. I actually don't think I have that feature on the AM. I'm going to add that to the AM because that's awesome. Tells you everything you need to know here, though. How far it is from the high of the day. And then here's your best long setups for the day, best short setups for the day. All this is, I think, is in the free, I believe. If it's not in the free, then you can earn it with like a few founders points by like pinning it to your home screen and sharing a screenshot of Vision somewhere. I'm pretty sure it'll get you enough points to unlock the AM pit, get you those watch lists. Little command center tells you the regimes, catalyst for the day. It's balanced and choppy right now. It's been accurate all day. Nothing's really moving too great. It gives you the top setup. You see Avgo bearish was the top setup today. You can expand that. See a little more info on it. See the full command center. It has your AM, PM pit. If you want to get in our Telegram rooms, you can just click join room. It'll take you right there. Exit out that fast though. You can talk to us that way if you want to chat. Ask questions about Vision. Share your screenshots there. That's one way you can get free points. But this is just basically I built a software that I wanted since I've started trading, and there's never been anything that was this comprehensive. So I figured out how to build it, and here we are. So that's the beginner dashboard. There's your indicators, journal, learning, scanners, alerts, and then the whole dashboard. But for people who have been trading for a while, I'll just go through them. We'll go to swing next. So the swing dashboard. A few of our trading services are in here. So like under the alerts, these are our 3 swing trading services that we offer. We got Pit Power Plays. That is a high probability play every Monday between 3 and 4 on a pullback. That kind of aligns with our slingshot scanner, if you've seen that yet. Option lottery alerts. These are going to be cheaper, higher risk, higher reward. We're looking for, our pit power plays is over a 90% win rate. Our lottery alerts is going to be closer to a 50% win rate, but we're looking at 200 to 500% returns and 100% losses if we lose. So as long as your win rate's 50-50, if you're hitting 200% returns and only 100% losses, you still have massive returns at the end of the year, and it still works out. And the turtle pit is new. It's amazing. You guys are going to love it. I'm going to release it soon. Some of you are getting some early access. I'm dropping free turtle pit plays in all the rooms, free rooms, Facebook rooms, left and right, just to get you guys excited about this. So check those out. Those would be the alerts there. And then the scanners, you got your turtle pit and your pit flows, our unusual options activity scanner with some extras added in. I'm going to add the insider trading scanner in there too, because that's a pretty sweet one I've built recently. But you go to your dashboard, you got a little bit of everything. Oh, the dashboard actually has it here. This could be a scanner, could fit in your dashboard, I suppose. But you go to Insider Edge here. This is going to have your piggyback scanner, which is going to tell you how you could piggyback trades off of CEOs, politicians, high institutions, the big money, smart money as they call it. Taking a little too long for me to want to sit here and wait. Next, you have your insider trade tracker. So this is just insider trades. It tells you the stock that's been most bought by insiders recently, also the one that's most sold by insiders, and then gives you a little bit of detail into who's buying and how much they're buying. I thought I had some better filters on here. Maybe that's just on this one. So I'll probably add these filters to the insider trade tracker. This is the capital trade tracker though. This is where you can see what politicians are buying, what members of the House. If you just want to see the Senate, click Senate. That's what the Senate is buying. If you just want to see the House, click House. Nancy Pelosi, of course, is a popular one to follow. You can also search it by ticker, company, or politician. Partial sales, sells if you just want to see what they're buying, if you just want to see what they're selling, if you want to see it all. Most active politician, most bought by Congress. So awesome feature here. I love this feature. Big fan myself. Like I said, everything I've ever wanted I have built into this, or I'm building into this. So there's the swing. You still got your learning, you still got your scanners, you still got your alerts, dashboard, indicators, journal. The indicators in the learning are going to improve very quickly, very soon. Those are kind of my next to-dos right now. Then you jump into your day trading pit though. In the day trading workplace, you got your 0 DTE trades, you got your alerts, your 0 DTE sniper alerts, you got AM and PM here. We're in the PM now. You open that up, it's going to tell me my best 0 DTE PM setup. AM setup really caught me off guard today. And then I started doing this a little differently. This is still only pulling the fucking indexes. So I'm going to have this pull better in the future, but it should be pulling 0 DT names and the indexes. When I first built this, or when I first started building this, the only thing that was 0 DTE was the indexes. So, but it's going to give you the best option to trade here right now. It's saying a 735 call, or the best spread. If you prefer a spread, it's going to go 735, 736. Max risk is 30 cents. Not too shabby to make 70. So quick 200% return there if you hit. So that's your 0 DT PM scanner. I kind of like the AM one better. I do like that feature there. So this is the newer one that I built, was the AM. This is going to rank based on RVOL expected move. Gives you the recommended option. You can go best option or best spread. Actually, I lied. I like this one better. That's the part that I liked in the PM better, but this is awesome. So I haven't gotten in here too much, but Netflix, and now what we're doing with the Telegram alerts for 0 DTE is, first you can click to join Telegram alerts, boom, but it's going to send you the best setup. It's going to send you why into the Telegram alerts first thing in the morning, when you should first start trading the AM session around like 9:50 after shit's kind of played out. And then in the afternoon, when you should first start trading the PM session around now, 1:30, 2 o'clock, it's going to send you the best PM setup into the Telegram alerts. So if you never want to check Vision, you don't have to, but way more details here, way more features, recent wins. You can see our Etsy play recently paid out 30%, our UVXY play 400%, SoFi hit 100%. So that's the day trader path there. Change that one. You go to the income trader, same thing. It's going to have more like selling credit spreads, selling deep in the money, debit spreads, iron condors, butterflies, that type of shenanigans. Your pro is going to be for my guys that have been with me for a while, who have everything unlocked. Right now it doesn't look like much because the only extras it includes here is the opening range break scanner and the slingshot scanner. I haven't had a chance to test this much. Let's give it a test live. Oh yeah, it's a good one. Oh man, kind of wish I would have looked at this morning. Oh well. But it gives you a breakdown score. You can search the 930 to 945 orb. I guess I have to put the pre-market orb to 830. That's what Tyler wants on here for his small craps. Just kidding. For small caps though, trading that might be good. CLSK is breaking out, thank God. Pre-market high, pre-market low breaks here. 9:45 a.m. break. 10:30 a.m. continuation break. Bullish only orbs, bearish only orbs. You can customize your range. So I guess Tyler, if you're watching this, choose a custom range. You can do it yourself, boy. Where do I go to customize it? Settings. Yep, settings. Customize range. Boom. That's awesome. You could set whether it requires a news catalyst. To exclude extended moves, require a volume spike. That is awesome. Sometimes I'm even blown away by the stuff I make. So yeah, jump in, check this stuff out. Jump in the founders pit, earn a ton of stuff for free. Give me feedback, find bugs for me. Let me know what works. Let me know what doesn't. Let me know what you love, what you use all the time. Any feedback is great. For example, somebody said, two people came to me and were like, "Yeah, it's great. I can't get back to where I just was." I mean, so we added a back button. Little stuff like that can go a long way for people sometimes, you know. Let's see what the slingshot's pulling up today. Also, if there's any screen that you would want to monitor and kind of like test out, I was thinking about just streaming a specific screen from Vision, maybe on WAP, to try and get interest there, or on YouTube or Facebook or something. So let me know if you have a special screener you might want to watch on here or anything. See how it works throughout the day. Might stream that somewhere for free for people. But hey, I hope this helps. Drop questions in the comments. Let me know what you think. PitVision.AI. Like, subscribe, follow the channels, all that good stuff. I do tons of stuff for free. AI tokens are expensive right now. That's the main reason I charge anything for half of this shit I'm building right now. But it's definitely worth it. There's like a $30,000 worth of info here. So the API that I'm pulling from, I pay an arm and a leg for already, luckily. So that's not too much extra. It's just paying for the extra AI and stuff to move stuff around, to analyze stuff, and to send stuff to the right places at the right time. Other than that, though, you guys are getting a hell of a deal to get a lot of this stuff for free. And then the other stuff is cheap as shit compared to what I'm paying for it. So take me up on it. Utilize it. PitVision.AI. You won't regret it. If you do, message me. Tell me why you regret it. And I'll look out for you then, too. All right. Peace.